Hi everyone, and welcome back for another painting lesson together, exploring watercolour and another bird illustration. Today we're going to be looking at the Splendid Fairywren, which comes with great thanks to another wonderful photographer of mine, Peter Caddy, who has allowed us to work with this stunning subject today, and I'm super excited to be exploring this with you in greater depth here. It might be a small subject, but small subjects give us an opportunity to really drill down into our techniques, the finer side of our techniques, and be exquisite with our representation of them. This subject is full of intense and beautiful bold blues, offering us plenty of opportunity to explore our watercolor medium and bird illustration in a new depth. This Splendid Fairywren is a feast for the eyes on colour. Its intensity means that we need to really increase the mix and balance of pigment to our washes. So we'll be exploring some really lovely pigment-rich washes in this illustration. We have a lot of varying blues in this study as well. So we'll be also looking at how we can move through our blue colour family to get subtlety and complexity within these blues. So let's get our blues out and ready to go as we jump in to explore this beautiful, splendid Fairywren together.